So you want to get stronger. Maybe even superhero strong? Or maybe just strong enough to carry all the grocery bags in one trip without collapsing on the couch afterward. Either way, the first real step is building a workout plan that actually works for muscle gain. And that starts with clarity. Clear goals matter more than hype. If you know exactly what you want, and when you want it, your brain and body can work towards something specific instead of just drifting around the gym hoping something magically sticks. A SMART goal gives direction. It gives measurement. It gives accountability. Once the goal exists, the plan needs structure. You need to understand your muscles the same way you'd understand the cast in a movie. Each group plays a role. Chest, back, legs, shoulders, arms, core. If you train one group and ignore the others, imbalance happens. And that's when injuries sneak in like uninvited party guests. A proper plan rotates through major muscle groups over the week so everything grows together and everything stays supported. A weekly schedule brings order. Most lifters use upper and lower body splits. Some rotate push, pull, legs. Some do full body routines multiple times weekly. The secret isn't the template. The secret is consistency plus recovery. Rest days are not lazy days. Rest is where the actual muscle growth happens. When you lift, you create tiny micro-tears. When you rest, those tears repair and rebuild stronger. And that is where progress physically forms. Exercise selection matters too. You need compound movements to build real strength. Squats, deadlifts, bench, rows, presses. These train multiple muscles at once. Then you layer isolation movements on top. Curls for biceps, triceps extensions, calf raises. Isolation sharpens. Compound builds the foundation. And both need to exist in any SMART plan. Reps and sets should match your objective. If strength is the main target, lower reps and heavier weight. If muscle size is the main target, moderate reps with enough weight to challenge fatigue. And always form first. If the movement collapses, the risk climbs. Better to lift a little lighter and grow properly than ego lift and get benched by an injury. Nutrition becomes the silent partner. Lifting is the stimulus. Food is the building material. Protein is the star. It repairs muscle tissue and drives growth. And if it's not present in enough amounts, progress stalls. Carbs provide energy so you can actually train hard. Fats help hormones regulate, which also influences strength and recovery. If one of those three is missing, the body will push back. Tracking progress gives data to adjust. Write down weights. Write down reps. Track how many sets you performed. Over weeks, you'll see if you're climbing upward or stuck. And if stuck, you adjust. Add weight. Add sets. Add rest. Add calories. The plan evolves because the body adapts. That is how long-term growth survives. In the end, be strong, but be flexible enough to adapt when life shows up unplanned. Because if you stay consistent, strength always shows up.